WITSON
gimbal, so it's quite nice. You can do that. So this is the system anyway. It's pretty similar to a lot of the ones that we've showed on the YouTube before anyway. So you've pretty much got your basic stand-up. So you've got your navi down here. That's Google Maps today. So we're connected to the internet, but you've only got about three bars, so it'll be a little bit slow. But if you were hotspotting the system from inside the car, it'd be a bit quicker. Another thing you can do is if you go for style 3, you'd be able to get a SIM card dongle that is usually put into the glove box over there. At the moment it's just got one USB port for putting videos, songs, firmware updates if they're needed, they can be put into it as well. The CarPlay and the Android Auto is wired for this one, so I'm not going to be able to show you it today because pretty much I've got my phone in this little mobile gimbal here anyway. So there's your Google Maps. If I go OK Google, it's not listening. If that's happy yet, sorry. That only works on the Android Auto, I'm afraid. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Take me to Anfield Stadium. Anfield Stadium. There we go. We got there in the end. So there we go. It's pretty much just Google Maps. As I say, the signality is pretty terrible. We're basically against the water. But yeah, that's your Google Maps there anyway. I'll exit out of that dead quickly. Tap up here, top left, swipe, tap and hold, split screen. So we can have Google Maps on one side, and then radio or anything you want really on the other side. It's up to you. Obviously we need another app open at the same time to actually be able to do that, but for the purpose of the video you see that it works there anyway. To full screen that, we just do that. There we go. So let me get out of this. Clear you. You've got your radio, so this is probably going to be very loud. Yeah. So that's the hot stepper. Works with the steering wheel controls that I was doing over here. And it'll obviously work with just the regular volume controls on the side. So yeah, you can signal it in. I can't remember the acronym for it, but yeah, 96.7. We're in Liverpool. Obviously the radio can stay open in the background, so if I've got it still playing, yep, can hear that. Obviously it shows up here as well. If you've got just Bluetooth, I'm pretty sure it shows up on here. So if we press Bluetooth and we were to try and connect my phone to it, obviously my phone would show up here. At the moment it's connected to this gimbal, so I can't exactly do that at the moment, but yeah, you've got your full Bluetooth set of stuff, so you can have your Bluetooth music, you've got your settings, that's your keypad, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much that there. What I'll do is I'll swipe them away. You press apps, you've got all your apps over here, so you've got another one for your Bluetooth, you've got your air conditioning. So I believe this is, I don't believe it changes while you're actually, oh there we go, yeah, so it will actually work with them. Oh, it doesn't like that, possibly because it's the manual or the automatic, I'm not too sure. You've got your, what else have we got? Car settings, so there's a bunch of settings in here anyway, so I don't know if you can see them. You've got your control, your AC, your information, tyre pressure info, etc. I'm going to close that. We go back to the apps. Oh, still got that one open. The equalizer, this is pretty fun. So obviously if you're playing music and you want to have a little bit more customization, you can do that. So there's a few setups already. You've got a user one, so you can save them. Your zone is for obviously where you want the speakers to be going from, so you can have it so the music just comes out the back or the front or the left or the right, and you can have it a bit louder as well. It does get pretty loud. What else have we got? You got the Play Store, so that's pretty much how you download your apps. I'm not too sure why these keep coming back up. Possibly because it's on and it's still trying to mess around with them. On the start, I think that's a Vauxhall specific system. I'm not too sure how that works, but that's there if you're interested. You've got your settings. Your T-Link is how you get onto CarPlay or Android Auto, so pretty much instead of Bluetoothing to the Android operating system, you just Bluetooth to that. Oh, you can't Bluetooth with this version, sorry. Only styles 2 and 3. This is the first style, so you can only do a wired connection. But unfortunately, I don't have the cable required to do it. What else have we got? We've got video, so if you did have a USB or anything, you can just plug it in and it'll recognise video there anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much the system in its entirety for the most part. Obviously, notwithstanding downloading applications for yourself and having Waze, TalkSport, etc. on the actual system. So yeah, I mean, probably bring it to a close there. But yeah, it's got pretty much everything you need anyway. Pretty quick, even with just the 4-core processor. But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions or anything, leave them in the comments. And yeah, we'll put a link to the system in the description. So
WITSON